What's going on, YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet, and thanks again for coming back to tune into my videos. The XRP giveaway is still going to happen on Friday, and I actually am going to up it. I haven't figured out how much it is, but it is going to be more than 100 XRP, just because I really do appreciate everybody in the comments who just mentioning, damn trolls and stuff like that, and it kept motivating me to keep doing this shit. And like, I only want to do this shit even more now because of you guys. So I really appreciate it. I'm going to show that appreciation, and that the amount of XRP that I give away, that could be huge in the future. It might not be. Remember, keep a level head that this shit could just go to zero. But I love XRP, and it could be life changing in the future, and that's my goal. And just also to give you a little bit of a heads up on how it's going to work is I'm going to use one of the automated comment pickers live on the channel, that our YouTube video that I pick. If it's one of my close friends that wins, I will pick another person specifically, just because I'll still give them the XRP. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to shit on them, but I want somebody who is new, brand new to the community, or a veteran who came and subscribed. I want you guys to get it. So I will do it that way. The only thing you'll have to do at that point is just send me your XRP wallet address, and if it's on an exchange, make sure you have the tag ID with it. But that is it. You don't have to send me your name, nothing else, not another thing. All I need is your wallet address, okay? So because I know that there's other scams, and I'm a smaller YouTuber, but smaller YouTubers are the ones that will commonly get picked off as far as trying to get it. So I will tell you exactly which address to send your address to me at, in that email or whatever form YouTube, whatever I use, is that will be the address that you need to receive from to send to me, and that's it. So I'm not a scam, I promise. But thank you guys so much. Today I'm just gonna do a quick TA, because not much has changed on where we sit as far as the charts, but we're gonna do a little bit more of a fundamental analysis as to the future of crypto and blockchain, and why these macro trends that we're seeing in technical analysis, they're being backed up by something much bigger that's happening in the background. So without further ado, please like and subscribe. Tell me your favorite crypto in the comments, or just anything you want to talk about. That way you can be entered into the giveaway on Friday, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead on coin market cap. We can see that we are Bitcoin is a little bit up, Ethereum up, XRP is up, but this guy right here, Chainlink, and I'll be updating the TA in the Discord here, hopefully this evening or in the morning, as well as new news on Chainlink. And we can see that Chainlink actually overcame Bitcoin Cash to take the number 5 spot. Let's just confirm, because we did have that issue with on-chain FX. Let's go to CoinGecko, another one. Oh, if I could spell gecko right. And let's just see here how things are standing. Chainlink is still on this spot. Market cap a little bit higher on CoinGecko. It just, again, depends on the circulating volume that they are calculating on. But either way, it's above Bitcoin Cash. And everything else is, correlates to the other data. So let's start with Bitcoin. So, oops, I kind of messed up my camera there, didn't I? There we go. We can see that this is the same chart that I had before. We're still in that ascending channel. There's the ascending triangle within this ascending channel, and now we're testing the moving averages. So I want to see us get above these moving averages to kind of switch to a more bullish scenario, because we still are testing it. But either way, I could see a little drop down to either this part of the channel or down to here, and then maybe a bounce back up, or we could fall, not get support, and redo that 10.5. So be sure to I'm doctor/idiot. This is not financial advice, but on the RSI, we are definitely in a more comfortable spot. If we were to switch to the daily candle charts, and let me zoom out a little bit, we are above the moving average. We're in a very good spot here. So in the daily candle chart, it's looking really good. Every time I see this setup, this is the kind of setup that I would trade on a long. So it's just something to take a look at, because crypto is crypto. It'll do whatever the hell it wants. So Ethereum's looking the best in my opinion. If we follow that same pattern that we had before, we are now above our moving average on the 4-hour, as well as above our resistance trend, descending trend line that was resistance. If we move to the daily, it'll keep all of my trends where they were, and you can see that we are potentially going to close this candle body tomorrow above the resistance line, as well as potentially we could get up to maybe a new high as far as candle bodies, which would put us around closing above 401. So that's what I'm waiting to see on. This is not the time to enter a long or a short, in my opinion. I mean, if you did want to, I would say the long would be your better choice, but it'd be real easy to get another rejection here and test down and get stop lossed out. So not the best time for a trade, but you know, if you did want to try, you know, make sure you set to your stop losses below your wherever your wicks are here, and make sure you put your take profits at good points. So if you did long this here, I wouldn't long it far, you know, so you know, I would try to get up to like the 403-ish or something, hope that it goes up, tries build some strength, but then you know, you would take your profits there. But other people would probably be doing the same thing, so that would be what causes us to drop back down. So XRP is one that's looking still a little bearish to me, because we're not setting higher lows anymore. We're setting potentially lower lows as we go. We're not above our moving average. I added this third line just to kind of show you where we're currently getting support below the moving average. So take it with a grain of salt. Ultimately bullish on XRP in the long run, but excuse me, I have been you know, stopped out on a lot of my recent small XRP trades. So just be careful. Make sure you come up with a good strategy. I think buying and holding for the long haul is the best bet for this right now. So moving on to some fundamentals. Thanks, Matt, at the Moon Lambo channel. I've been watching you for a while. I really appreciate the shout out on your channel from my Twitter article that I posted with you. I'm going to go over the article just briefly. This guy is super smart. Definitely doesn't claim to be a financial advisor, but he has such a strong grasp of XRP specifically. He's an XRP centric channel, but he also understands cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how other projects are trying to implement themselves as far as what they're going to do with their coin. And he's really good about understanding the utility and how it matters in this space. And probably one of the reasons why me and him really get along, because I've never met him, but as far as agreeing on XRP and stuff like that, it's the utility that it serves and the potential in the future that makes it so valuable and so undervalued right now. So thank you so much for the shout out on your channel. I know you've done it several times for other articles in the past, and I'll keep sending you everything I can, because you definitely have a bigger what do you call it, fan base. So I want to, you know, anybody who's really interested in this, other really good Twitter guys and YouTubers, like Galgatron, XRP, Crypto Wolf, and there's a whole list of them. All these guys are super smart. You got Brad Kimes with Digital Perspectives. You know, these are all people that I've watched and learned a lot of information, watched interviews with big people, Brad Garlinghouse, big tech guys. So if you are interested in diving a little bit deeper, specifically in like an XRP centric way, definitely check him out, all right? So the article I sent him was about Grayscale and how XRP is poised to benefit from this $2 trillion global payments market. And I'm not going to go deep into this. The reason I'm bringing up Grayscale is because in the background right now, Grayscale is buying up crypto like crazy. And back in May of this year here, there was an article put out by Helen Partz at Cointelegraph, and it was discussing how Grayscale's Bitcoin holdings passed $3 billion. That means they own individually over $3 billion worth of just Bitcoin. So if we take a look at this chart here, we can see that it's not just Bitcoin. There's Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, they've got Litecoin, XLM and Stellar, XRP, Zcash. So Grayscale is buying up crypto. And if you're wondering why or what they're doing with it, I included their website on here, and this is Grayscale's website. They're a giant, in a sense, ETF, right? And they basically offer you the ability to buy crypto without having to do shit on your own. You don't have to have a wallet. You don't have to do anything. You just buy a share of their stuff. And they put out shares periodically. So like right now it's closed because I'm sure the interest for them is ridiculous. They just came out with a new commercial to tell people about it. And basically you pay a huge ass premium to get yourself a piece of Grayscale's crypto assets. So, you know, like I think it was like one Ethereum ended up costing, you know, ridiculous amount. I'll have to look it up exactly if you guys want to know, but I'm sure it's somewhere here on the website. It was like $1,000 it would cost you to get one Ethereum when Ethereum was only $300 or $400. But the whole point is you don't have to do anything. And if it does go to crap, they kind of hit some of the losses for you as well. from my understanding. It's like, but overall, it's slowly edging into getting more and more individual investors to take that step into crypto. So, you know, say you got a lot of money already, you've made a ton in the stock market. Why the fuck would you go to crypto? You've made a ton of money already, right? So Grayscale is slowly putting that in there. Well, if Grayscale has, you know, $4 billion worth of just Bitcoin, and then we've heard today that, or today or yesterday that, what was the name of that company? I will look it up, but there was another company who took a big bet on Bitcoin, and they put like $250 million into it. I can probably find the article listed down the side. I just can't remember the name of the company. Modern Synergy or something. Damn, there's been a lot of articles today since I've been at work. Well, whoever it is, some big tech company took a huge gamble on Bitcoin, and it was like $250 million. The reason I bring all of this up is because look at how much big institutional investors are betting on cryptocurrency. They understand how much power and money is going to be in this market in the future. And again, I'm just a doctor. This is not financial advice, but this is going to blow up. Grayscale's buying a crap ton. They originally had so much allocated to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP, as well as the other altcoins. And they originally, I think it was about a month ago, they reduced their holdings of XRP to increase their amount of Bitcoin, and I think a little bit more Ethereum. Another article that I was trying to find real quick, but I didn't have much time today since I was at work. I said I will find all that stuff and throw it in the Discord so that way you have accurate information with sources and not just my ass rambling on. But they took all these assets to bring their whole overall crypto portfolio up. And now the news that came out today is that Grayscale is poised to put more into XRP. So what do they know that we don't? They've been buying up Bitcoin. At one point, buying more Bitcoin than miners were selling or could actually mine at the time. So now they're switching their speed up a little bit and going for XRP. Something big could be happening. You know, there's a bunch of stuff on Twitter that supposedly tomorrow's the day. You know, Illuminati. I have no idea, no basis on that. But you know, who the hell knows? The thing is that there's been an influx of these larger crypto buyers into the market. Big people have been dumping money into it, and XRP is approved by major exchange markets. So there's just so much news coming out that's in the background that's pushing all of these cryptos up and up and up. So I want you to just think about that and look into it. You know, tell me in the comments what you think. Discuss this stuff with me. I just think there's just so much stuff happening that it's going to be big soon. And I don't even think we're going to be ready for this. I feel like I'm strapped in. Like, let me get on my chair. I'm strapped in. I don't think I'm going to be ready for this blast off. So please like and subscribe. Enter yourself into the giveaway. Discord, all of my affiliate links. If they help you, please use them. If not, I don't care. I don't need it. But I have them for you. So until the next video, you guys take it easy.